Good morning from Helen, Georgia, where the theme of the day is waterproof everything. If you're new here, hi, I'm Johnny. This is Little Wyatt, and we're traveling the country together in our 25-year-old van named Vanlife the Gray. So if you enjoy the outdoors, budget travel, camp cooking, and all the things that come along with van life, we hope you'll join us for the adventure.
I guess a slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, 'cause I'm a happy with the simple life.
Okay, it is absolutely pouring outside. Tried to go for a walk, but then the rains really came down. All I want to do is go for some hikes, man. All Wyatt wants to do is go for some hikes. What are you doing, little buddy? Thank you. Are you drying me off? Are you such a good boy? I'm soaked. I'm soaked from 5 minutes outside. So it's supposed to rain not all day. There are like 2 little hour windows, like 8 o'clock window, which it is right now, and then 3 o'clock window, which will be later. So we are in that 8 o'clock window, but I haven't got an update because I don't have service out here, so I haven't had service since yesterday when I was cooking that delightful steak. So I don't know what our game plan for the day is, and I want to go see Anna Ruby Falls again because it's gorgeous. It's been raining, so it should be popping. But I might just be sitting here in the van, bored in the van, and I'm in the van bored in the van, bored in the van. All right, I'll keep you posted. Boy, somebody's ready to go for a hike. Are you ready, buddy? Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Got one and a dog.
All right. Figured it would be $5. Do you have a National Park Pass?
I do.
Yes.
Accept that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
You're good to go.
All right, man. I appreciate you.
All right.
That was
Y'all
too
have a
easy.
great day.
All right, we'll do. Little buddy, we have made it. Friends out there, we have made it to Anna Ruby Falls. I absolutely love it here. It is gorgeous. And the rain let up for just like a little bit. We have a tiny little window, just a tiny little window, then it's gonna start raining again. Buddy, I'm gonna go visit the gift center. I need you to guard this van because I've got to go get some gifts at the gift center. Okay, let's go. No gifts were to be had at the gift store. I already have a sticker for Anna Ruby Falls. I don't need another one. But this guy, buddy, are you excited? You ready to go for some walks? You wanna go see a waterfall? You wanna go see a nature trail? All right, first stop is the little nature trail. It's a short, maybe half-mile trail. It goes along the river here. It's just peaceful and nice. I like to think of it as like an hors d'oeuvre for the main event, which is Ruby Falls. Anybody could do this. It's probably wheelchair accessible, smooth. It's nice. And like I said, have I mentioned it's peaceful? It's so nice. And again, no rain. All right. Somebody's loving it. All right, now we are officially on the Anna Ruby Falls hike, and it's much prettier. Got some views like this. Got bridges. This is what's called Smith Creek. This is what Anna Ruby Falls pours into. And this creek it travels all the way down through Georgia, through Florida, 550 miles into the Gulf of Mexico. I thought that was pretty cool. All right, let's keep going. So it's nice being pulled uphill. Really helps the hike, but it sure sucks going downhill when he pulls like that. Pull me up, buddy. Let's go. Will he go up the stairs? Come on, you've been up here before. Come on. Good boy. So you can see it's actually 3 waterfalls. That one, And that's the tallest one. That's what's called Trainer Mountain. And all that flows so beautifully into the Smith River. It's so pretty here. It's just such a beautiful place, man. I love it here. It's I thought it was my 4th time here, but it's actually my 2nd time here. Anyway, definitely put this on your radar. It's easy hike. It's a half mile up, half mile back. It's a little steep at places, but it's well paved. It's worth it. It's gorgeous. Come to Helen, man, is what I'm saying. Just come to Helen. Helen's amazing. I have been thinking about this place probably every single day for 9 months since the last time I was here. This is Hofbrauhaus. Yes. And it's right on the river. Food's incredible, awesome beers. I got giant steins of beer. We've hiked it out today. And schnitzel. I'm here for the schnitzel, man. I can't wait. Awesome. Thank you so much.
You still need a minute, or do you have any questions about anything?
One more. I gotta figure out which schnitzel I want.
Another minute?
Yeah, just another minute.
All right,
Thank
you're
you.
fine.
Gimme. It's Polliner Oktoberfest, in case you're wondering. It's so good. All right, I'm pretty confident now. Let's go pork Jägerschnitzel with sauerkraut and spatzel. Yes.
And there you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can get for you?
I think I'm good. Thank you.
All right.
Oh, are you excited? Want some schnitzel? Want some schnitzel? I'll give you some schnitzel. Yeah. Don't act like you're not impressed. So that was pork, beaten down, then fried, and then covered in a gravy, bacon, and mushroom gravy. Amazing. Well, they say all good things must come to an end. So that's the table I was just sitting at. It is raining, bro. But cheers to new beginnings.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm trying to make this darkness go.
Well, that's going to do it for us here in part 1 of Helen. We'd like to say thank you for joining us. As you can tell, we have this beautiful weather outside. And hopefully tomorrow we get to do a part 2 and experience and explore and do a little bit more. I don't know, we'll see. Until then, be kind to each other and keep exploring life with an open mind.
Oh, I will open up